Hi guys, I'm Chef Ruben. I'm here in my balcony and today for you I will make a cauliflower rice with poached eggs, avocado and parmesan. This recipe is perfect for children with epilepsy and follow the ketogenic diet. We need 300 grams of cauliflower, 2 large eggs, 160 grams of avocado, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 7 grams of parmesan. We are going to start with the rice made with a cauliflower. It's a very funny preparation. 300 grams of cauliflower, so it might be perfect, a little bit more. Okay, we are gonna grate the cauliflower to make a kind of rice or a couscous. Take my grater. You see what we're gonna have? It's a cauliflower grated that it might be a rice or a couscous. It's not very easy when you have to do everyday ketogenic recipe, but with a couple of tricks you can make something different, tasty, and that children likes. Okay, now we're gonna saute our rice. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We are using coconut oil because it helps the body to make ketones fast. A little bit of salt and pepper. 1 more tablespoon of coconut oil, and we have to roast a little bit the cauliflower. If you like, you can add some spices like paprika or a little bit of turmeric. Let me try. Very good. Today I'm making this recipe with 2-to-1 ratio. That means for every gram of protein and carbo, we are using 2 grams of fats. This ratio is the key to how ketogenic therapeutic diet works, especially for children with epilepsy. Sometimes, depending to how the child is doing, the ratio might be changing. For example, if seizures become more frequent or the child is going through a rogue patch, you might increase the ratio to 3:1 or even 4:1, which simply means more fat in the mix. Little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and now I'm going to show you how to make a kind of poached eggs. Take a little bit of water, like this. And cover them for 1 minute. The egg white will cover the egg yolk and will make a kind of poached eggs that is very tasty and is perfect to serve on top of our cauliflower rice. So the best part is that if you need, you don't have to change the recipe, you have just to change the quantity. So if you want to make the same dish every week, you absolutely can. Whether you are doing 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. You see, soft and perfectly cooked. Now we're gonna need 1 avocado, so about 160 grams. I like to slice it like this. And then, if you are good, you can make a kind of rose, like this, look. Okay, we are ready. Take a dish. If you have with my face, it's better. So on the bottom, we're gonna put half avocado like this, open, like a carpaccio. Just little bit of salt. Then our cauliflower that have to cover the avocado. Then we are going to put our eggs, 1 and 2, like this. Our avocado rose on the middle. And then if you like, you can grate some parmesan on top, 7 grams. Okay, simple, fresh, and I think it's very, very good. Let's try. Oh yeah, egg, avocado. Delicious. Buono. Very, very good. I hope you like this recipe. See you next time. Ciao!